Hello guys, today we will talk about how to find your history on the application of REDnote. You will click on REDnote app on iPhone. Then in this page, you will click in this sign of you and you will enter. Here in this page, you will click in this sign and you will enter here. After that, you will click in this sign of settings. Then in this page, we click in this window of not here, in this list like this. Before you go in to this sign here, you will click in this sign. Then in this list, you will click in this sign of history, and you will find all your history, notes and live as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.